Hang tight. David, what did he say?
Let me lean in.
Hey, boys. You both go risky for the biscuit. How will you trust my driving?
Go ahead, man.
You know, I'm just fully committed at this point.
You all gotta be.
Oh. I did not expect it to end like that.
Here, man.
Oh God, no! I'm sliding. Oh God.
Carlos just threw himself out of the car.
Oh my God. You mother. Oh my God, you fucking cuffed me. Hey, yo, guys. Word on the street is we landed the kickflip, y'all fell off.
Yeah. We look like some sort of streamers out of a aircraft at an air show.
I'm coming for you, Mark. I just can't do nothing with chicken right now.
Yeah, no worries.
And look, I haven't learned anything. I'm still hanging out the car.
Hey, sit your ass inside, man.
Oh, I can't even get in the car.
Let me tell you something. I'm just barely hanging on myself. I rolled. You didn't see me roll down the hill. I hit every fucking ugly branch tree. I landed all the way over here. Oh shit!
Oh, they can't buckle up now, so now they actually just fall
Oh
up.
my God!
Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm buckled up.
Don't worry, guys. I got you. I'm trying so hard here.
Where's the other one?
He's in the,
I'm in the bush.
I thought I grabbed him. Now they're not. Now they can't buckle up, so literally anything will make them fall out.
Yeah, I'm buckled up.
No, it still won't buckle you up if you're down.
You can click it, but it won't matter. All they do is stop the dinging.
You guys should have seen that perfect kickflip, though, bro. We landed it. Like,
Yeah, we
hella
did land
great.
it. But I think as soon as the car went like upside down, they just fell right out.
Yeah, that's the first time I ever tried to flip with
Yo,
it.
if you can see, I'm gonna show you the clip of y'all rolling down the hill when y'all fell out, man. It was hilarious, man. Damien rolled like about a half a block. I thought you would get me dizzy by now with all the rolls you did.
I couldn't stop rolling.
I thought you were gonna go all the way to the street. We were gonna catch you. I think a branch stopped you.
Oh, that was hilarious. Then you guys pull up and you fall out the car and you start rolling.
Oh, then I start rolling. Yo, you can't. You take one little fucking fall. He only pushed me with the door.
Dude, I pulled up and stopped, and it just started rolling backwards. Yeah, I let go of the e-brake for literally 1 second.